Hey Pooh, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm Danielle and I'll be taking you through the easiest way to make your wigs glueless. So I use Got To Be Glue gel right off the rip in the black tube. It's the easiest way to make this hair glueless. I didn't have to lay no layers or 2 layers on blow dry, none of that. So you guys will definitely go ahead and see in the next video. But this video is of me installing Nadula's hair and a little bit on it. I'm not gonna spend too much time because I speak about the wig in like the beginning of the video and at the end where I give you like a miniature review. So this wig is their 22-inch. I'm just unveiling this like a show curtain, girl. This is their 22-inch straight wig, a nice on silk straight stiffer. It is in 180 density and it's nice. And if you'd like to see me install this wig, just keep on watching. Before you go, the links to this wig will always be in the description box as per usual, so just keep on watching and I'll see you lovely ladies in my next one. Excuse me ma'am, I can't hear you. Okay. Scalp. So right now I'm gonna start by brushing my beautiful tresses. Even though it looks a little crazy. This is scalp meets scalp. This is my new wig, Scalpiana, to you by Nadula, cause y'all not about to play with her. Hold on. Okay. Oh my god, PTSD, because I don't want to get burned by no hot comb ever again in my whole entire life. Having a white chicks moment. But yeah, let's jump into this video. So right now we're gonna just adjust the wig to how we want it, and as you can see, as you can tell, it matches my skin tone. Such a proud moment. But instead of using the hairpins to like pull it back, I'm gonna just use, you know, the hair itself to do that instead of doing all that extra work. So this is the wig. It look good. It smell good. I'm gonna go in with my hot comb and just flatten the top a tad bit, you know. We need nice flat top wigs. Ain't no bulky, ain't no bulk, and that's on period. Back in business as per usual. Okay, I got the toothbrush and I have my Got To Be Glue gel. Let me show y'all, cause y'all be thinking I'm playing. This is what I used to lay my wigs down with, hence why I don't have no more. I mean, I do, and I'm just using it up because that's what Caribbean people do. Okay, we use things up until it's done. We don't it's no time for extra if we got enough. So right now I'm gonna get into the baby hairs, which is essentially gonna lay the wig down for me. It's just gonna do the job. Yeah, so let's just jump into that. So I have my handy dandy scissors to snip these hoes out my lap because I bike. No, I'm just playing. I have my scissor to cut. I'm alive, y'all. Do you see that cut? Oh my god, I cannot. I'm trying to see which way I want the baby hairs to go. So let me just try something real quick and see if I like them this way.
Miss Jackson.
Okay, I'm gonna do them this way. So yeah, it's time to lay your baby hairs down. Yeah, and as I was saying, that's essentially what's gonna make this wig glueless. And this is like, in real life, the foundation of this glueless install, because without this got to be gel, baby, my wig would have been off my head. This gel is so freaking strong. Like the hold, like hold wise, it's really strong. People who use it on their natural 4C hair, which I have, and I can attest to that. Yes ma'am, I have used this on my natural hair and it works. It works. So if it work on 4C hair, imagine how it's gonna let your baby hair stay down. My blow dryer is on cool, and I'm gonna just go in and make sure that these hairs are down to stay and not going nowhere, cause ain't nobody got time. Okay. And now that that's done, I'm gonna do the same thing to this part, which is essentially gonna be like the swoops of the side, the swoops of the century. No. Yes, honey. Get into it. Get into it. Okay, get into it. Oh, girl. They about her looking real good. I can't, like, I have so many accents up my sleeve, and it's like I don't even share this side of me with y'all, but now y'all seeing it. I'm really a goofy, like. Living, I see you living for my edges. I see you living for them. Now I'm gonna do this side. It's really about to take me like a minute, cause I'm not playing. I'm not about to do this playing. Now that I have it under control, like y'all could see the difference. Like now it's like really skin like, giving you scalp, as I had said before, because this wig is called Scalpiana. And right now I'm just gonna go in with my finishing touches, which is to hot comb it so it's super duper flat, because that's just what we need in times like these, you know. Just something really flat, that's all. Just simple, average. Well, not your average. Just simple. And now that we've had or have simple Sebastian Shaper Bless, get it at your local TJ Maxx and Sally Beauty or Ulta. Now homegirl's gonna go in and give it a little good press. You know, we need a little good press or whatever, so that's what we got to do. Holy grail, you can barely even see the thing no more, but it's Babyless Pro, and I'm not gonna stop saying it because y'all always want to know. And I'm also not gonna stop saying it because I spent like, was it $60 something or $90 something for this flat iron? I'm not gonna stop saying it. I'm gonna say it till the wheels fall off, till the damn titanium plates fall off. Yes ma'am. I don't know why these straighteners have to be so stupid priced. Like 70, I think it was $70. Correct me if I'm wrong. You know what, I'm gonna fact check myself. I'm gonna just put it on the screen how much it actually costs, and it should be, you know, a good amount of money, but in God we trust. So far so good. I'm not really getting too much shedding because this is the brush, and this is probably all the hair that's shedded out of it so far. You know, not a lot. so that's good, especially since it's like the first time putting this on my head, first time installing, you know. I did good. I did good. I did good. Or the wig did good. You know, this is like really affordable. The price is not too bad, or not bad at all, because Nadula has, again, like I just said before, affordable hair, good quality hair too. Look on it. Right, true. Come right out, girl. So it's really affordable hair. I love it. Always love working with Nadula because them always have good things. They have the good things them. Yes, ma'am. Do you see that shine, that sheen? And I haven't used any oil in it to get this shine. This is the natural shine of the hair. So nice and shiny. So yeah, we're serving inches, okay? 22 to be exact. So this is their 22-inch wig in 180 density. Really, really thick, really nice. I like it. Come right out. Yes, ma'am. And so far so good. What I love about this hair is how well it straightens. As per usual, all of Nadula's hair straightened really well. This wig was really nicely constructed. I did not have to use a band in the back in order for it to like tighten and stay down and be glueless. It's 100% glueless. Using the actual band where you just tighten it that comes in the wig, so you did not have to add an additional band. And the additional band that I keep talking about is what usually makes wigs glueless. So what it is like an elastic band, and essentially it is supposed to be sewed on one ear to the other ear in order for the wig to be glueless. And this is how they usually look, and it's really stretchy, it's elastic. It can be thick or it can be like the half of this, and you just cut it to your liking and sew. But I didn't have to do that for this wig. The inside of this wig was pretty much how it was when it came. The wig is naturally like this, okay? Naturally like this. I didn't need to add anything whatsoever. So that is a pro and that is a plus. I don't think a lot of companies know that their wigs can do this, or I don't think a lot of women know their wigs can do this. So this is why I always try to show you guys the easiest, simplest way in order to just make your wigs glueless, 100% glueless. If I were to take this up right now, it will come right off, and if I were to show you inside of the wig, you'd see that there's no there, girl. It's all glueless, 100%, 100. And that's why I say these wigs are such good quality for their price. They are so reasonably priced, and it's only 22 inches and it's giving me 24-inch vibes, okay? This is giving me a 24-inch tease, and I love that about this wig. Love that about this wig, okay? So would I recommend anyone purchasing the wig? Yes, I definitely would. I don't have a con to this hair. So far so good, and I will definitely give you guys an updated review and styling with this wig. Maybe I'll cut it, maybe I'll crimp it, maybe I'll try to curl it, so you guys can just see like the versatility of the wig. So yeah, I definitely would recommend it. So far so good, as I said, no cons. There's nothing about this hair that I don't like. It's thick and thin enough, it's full enough, I should say. It just, it's full of life. Like, I'm pretty sure if I flash my hair flashes, and it's not stiff wear. A lot of motion in this hair, and I like that. That's something you should look out for whenever ordering virgin hair wigs, that it actually moves and it's full of life and not lifeless. Yeah, so I definitely recommend this wig. 10 out of 10 for me. And if you'd like to purchase it, the links in the description box will be there so you guys can. The links to this wig, the links to Nadula's wig, and the links to their social media, so you can see all the beautiful varieties and wigs and bundles and frontals and coats. Everything that they offer will be on their social medias and their website, so you guys can definitely go and check it out. And yeah, that's all. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, loves.